Your business may not be showing up on Facebook check-in due to incomplete updates, such as missing address, map location, or business category information. To resolve this issue, you can add the necessary details by signing in to your Facebook account, tapping on your profile photo, and selecting the page you want to update. From there, choose the page profile picture, select the page name, and go to the About section. Click on the Contact and Primary Info icon. Then add your address and set the map location by selecting the pin below the address. Additionally, ensure your page is visible to the public by checking the page settings and location settings. If your page is private or restricted, it will not appear in check-in results. Another possible reason for the issue is the presence of duplicate pages, which can be resolved by merging them. To do this, go to the Edit Page icon, choose the Edit Settings icon, and select the Merge Pages option to consolidate your presence and make it easier for users to find your page at check-in. By updating your page information and resolving any duplicate page issues, you should be able to resolve the problem and make your business visible on Facebook check-in.